What if I told you that Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself, just made a move that could signal a massive shift in the market? He didn't announce it. He didn't hype it. But insiders caught it, and it's big. The question is, why is Buffett quietly buying this one stock in 2025? And should you do the same? Let's break it all down. Earlier this month, Berkshire Hathaway's 13F filing revealed something surprising, a new position added quietly into the portfolio. While everyone was watching tech giants and AI buzz stocks, Buffett made a classic Buffett move. He invested in a boring, overlooked company with massive long-term upside. The stock? Backhand index pointing right, Chubb Limited CBES, an insurance company. And not just a few shares, Berkshire reportedly now owns over $6 billion worth. Section 2. Why this stock? Buffett loves insurance for a reason: cash flow, float, and compound growth. Chubb isn't a trending company, but it's one of the largest commercial insurers globally, growing steadily with low debt and strong underwriting profit, benefiting from rising interest rates, which boost insurance company income. Buffett knows that predictable cash flow plus strong capital discipline equals a compounding machine. This is classic value investing in disguise. Section 3. Buffett's insurance obsession. Let me tell you a quick story. In the 1960s, Buffett bought National Indemnity, a tiny insurance company. That single decision gave him the float, the investing fuel, to build the Berkshire empire we know today. Since then, he's obsessed with owning insurance companies because they let him use other people's money to invest. Fast forward to today, Chubb is the modern version of that same engine. It's not sexy, but that's the point. While others chase AI hype, Buffett is loading up on cash generators. Section 4. Should you follow Buffett? Now comes the million-dollar question. Should you follow Buffett into Chubb or similar stocks? The answer depends on your mindset. Are you looking for long-term compounders? Do you value safety over short-term gains? If yes, this could be a Buffett-style opportunity. But remember, Buffett plays the long game. He's not looking for 30% this month, he's looking at 30x in 30 years. So while everyone else is chasing the next hot stock, Warren Buffett is doing what he always does: buying quality businesses quietly and holding for decades. Speech balloon, what do you think? Would you invest in Chubb or other insurance giants in 2025? Let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Bell, and if you want more hype-free investing videos backed by real strategy, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and remember, time in the market always beats timing the market.